Guys, Matt here, Rolling Heavy Magazine. Nicole's here. It is Saturday morning. California Street Van's big ass cookout is going on today. It sounds like a lot of fun. We wish we could go, but we have an opportunity to pick up some parts up in Greenfield, California. And that's where we're going, my buddy Seth's house. We know we got a wheel set coming for sure. We don't know what else, but we're gonna go find out. So we thought you'd want to come along and check it out. Here we go. Guys, so we ran on time and Seth, so we went pretty fast. We pulled over on the side of the road. We want to show you what we got, and plus check out this view. It's fucking awesome. I mean, who doesn't want to see that? That's amazing. Check this out. This is what we grabbed from Seth. You know, just really good stuff. Got a nice set of turbine mags. Really good tires on them. These really bitchin' gold bubble ports, and a set of Chevy step beds right here. Got all these too. So that's what we got out of Seth's house. We're racing down to Paso Robles now. We're gonna go try to see if there's one little junkyard still open. So if you want to check that out, let's go do it. Come on. Hey, what's up guys? Well, obviously it's a new day, new weather, changed shirts. We're not trying to say it's the same day, definitely a different day. Last night we just cannonballed back up here back down here to LA, I'm sorry. By the time we got out of the hills up north and we were kind of looking around to see what was going on, everything was already closed. Nobody was open on Sunday, so we just like made an executive decision and we said, hell, we're just gonna cannonball back and be grateful for what we got. But we'll go over that again. Come check out what we got in case I mean, we'll showed you earlier, but we'll look at it one more time, come on. Pretty good haul if I don't say so myself. 1510, 15.7 Western mags on Cooper Cobra tires, really nice set of wheels. Gold anodized port windows. I've never seen gold frames, and I've had a lot of porthole windows come through my hands over the years. First time I've ever had a gold set. I'm gotta do some research on that. And the elusive Chevy Van step mats. I've got a client that I think is looking for those still. If not, those and the ports are most likely gonna be going up for sale on the Mr. Van Parts page on Instagram. If you don't follow that, you might want to check it out. If you see this on the video and you're interested, drop us a message, put in the comments below, let us know if this stuff's still available. You can totally buy it. But that's it. If you haven't, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps us grow the channel. We're almost getting to 1,000 followers. That's really cool, and we got to get those watch hours up. So anything helps. We really appreciate you guys. Rain's coming in. I'm gonna get this stuff out of here. I'll talk to you later. Thanks again. Talk to you. Bye.
da da da.